Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today I'll be preparing for you seasoned cooked eggplant. Place half of the oil in a sauté pan and turn the heat to the lowest temperature possible. Add in the eggplant and allow the eggplant to absorb all of the oil. Flip them over, add in the remaining oil, and cook them until soft to the touch. While the eggplant is cooking, combine the garlic, fish sauce, soy sauce, honey, kochujang, sesame seed oil, crushed sesame seeds, and green onion in a bowl and mix well. Place the cooked eggplant into the bowl with the sauce and mix well. Serve hot or at room temperature. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.